One of our major benefits with our serialization solution is our level 3 server. We have a centralized server where we do all configuration of the software. The first major point is that the software is 100% configurable. We do no hard coding. Everything is configurable. We do it in one location. We do that at a server location. We actually do no configuration, no hard coding, nothing down at the production line. This means that we do not shut the packaging line down to do the initial implementation except for testing. And we also, because of this, we can minimize the time of the implementation. We can rapidly deploy systems. Since this is a configurable software done in one location, we can take advantages in multi-line applications of having some general configurations that are across the board for all lines. We also don't have to go from each one line to the next to do the configuration. We do it offline in one location. So what we're trying to do is minimize the time to deploy systems. We minimize the validation effort. We minimize change management when a new product is added to a line, when a new country regulation is added to a line, or a regulation will change. And regulations will definitely change, as we've recently seen in China and Brazil and other places. The US regulation is likely to change. So this can become a great cost, and with our strong configurable software, we easily manage this, and we save a lot of time and money doing that. Part of what I just said is one of them. Our business model in general, there's a number of different features, but as far as the centralized configuration management, we like to say, and it is truly the case, that our founders of the company, who have over 25 years each in serialization, track and trace software, looked at the requirements for pharmaceutical serialization and developed a software architecture before they wrote a line of code. Our competitors have had inspection systems for many years, and those inspection systems were for other purposes because serialization did not exist. They took those inspection systems, which worked fine, and then layered some software over top of them to make them work in a serialization solution. What that means to the client is these systems that used to be standalone still require work to be done down at the packaging line. Initial implementation requires configuration, hard coding, whatever needs to be done down at the packaging line for that initial installation. The change management is not minimized like we can do it, because they will have to go to the line, shut it down, make changes when there's a new product to be added, when a new country regulation or a new regulation needs to be changed. The other thing that's of great value is that we, at the line, have an HMI execution machine for which the operator has to do very little. Our changeover from one work order to the next is almost instantaneous. There's nothing really for the operator to do other than to select a work order, and we automatically download the information to the printer, the scanners, the vision systems. We do not ask him to do anything. So we save a lot of time, we keep him productive, we keep the line productive, and we also minimize the chance that the operator will make a mistake. So there's some great advantages of all this, and it all adds up into what we call the total cost of ownership, and clients really should take a hard look at all that.